Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you some essential tips on functional training and how it can benefit your everyday activities. Functional training focuses on movements that mimic everyday activities to improve your overall strength, flexibility, and balance. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, identify your everyday activities. The first step in functional training is to identify your everyday activities. These can include things like lifting, bending, twisting, and reaching. By understanding the movements you do on a daily basis, you can tailor your functional training program to your specific needs. Tip number 2, focus on multi-joint movements. Functional training exercises should focus on multi-joint movements that engage multiple muscle groups at once. Squats, lunges, push-ups, and rows are excellent examples of multi-joint exercises that can improve your overall strength and flexibility. Tip number 3, incorporate balance and stability training. Balance and stability are essential for everyday activities like walking, standing, and carrying objects. Incorporate exercises that challenge your balance and stability, such as single-leg squats, plank variations, and standing on one leg. Tip number 4, use resistance bands and bodyweight exercises. Resistance bands and bodyweight exercises are excellent tools for functional training. They can be used to target specific muscle groups, improve flexibility, and add variety to your workouts. They are also easily accessible and can be done anywhere. Tip number 5, focus on form and technique. Proper form and technique are crucial for functional training. Ensure that you are using correct posture and alignment during exercises to avoid injury and maximize the benefits of each movement. If you're unsure about proper form, consider working with a personal trainer or physical therapist. Tip number 6, make it fun and challenging. Functional training can be both fun and challenging. Incorporate exercises that you enjoy and that challenge you to reach your goals. This can help keep you motivated and engaged in your workouts. Conclusion. So, those are my top tips for functional training and how it can benefit your everyday activities. Remember to identify your everyday activities, focus on multi-joint movements, incorporate balance and stability training, use resistance bands and bodyweight exercises, focus on form and technique, and make it fun and challenging. By incorporating functional training into your workout routine, you can improve your overall strength, flexibility, and balance, making everyday activities easier and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy training!